The form or the link sent to the web server must be processed. Data that is sent in the request must be extracted so that the servlet is able to process the request. In this topic, we will look at processing web requests. The servlet uses HTTP requests to extract the data in the form or link. HTTP request is an interface that encapsulates the data in the form or link. All data in the form or link are stored as string in HTTP requests. There are two methods that can be used to retrieve data encapsulated in HTTP requests. The first method is getParameter. This method is used to retrieve a single data from a form or link. The second method is getParameterValues. This method is used to retrieve multiple data with the same name from a form or link. Both methods receive a string value. The string values is referring to the field name in the form or parameter name in the link. However, the return value are different. Let's look at an example of get request parameter from a web form. Here we have a web form to update a product information. This form will invoke a web servlet named updateProductServlet. When this form is submitted, doPost method will be invoked because in the form, post is explicitly specified. We need to get the name of the product entered by the user. We invoke getParameter from request. Request is an object from class HTTP Servlet, one of the parameters from doPost declaration. In getParameter, we specify the name of the field, which is product name. The name must be the same with the ones declared in the form. This method returns a string, so we assign it to a string variable called name. Here we have a link that will invoke a web servlet with the name of getProductServlet. This link is passing a parameter named PID with the value of 45. To retrieve PID, we call a method from HTTP Servlet request named getParameter. In this example, we call rq.getParameter and specify the parameter that we want to retrieve from the link, which is PID. The RQ here is referring to the RQ in the parameter list of doGet. The PID is the same PID specified in the link. This method returns a string, so we assign it to a variable string named PID. The same name just to maintain the consistency. Let's have a look at a demonstration of processing web requests in Eclipse.